Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel. In last video, I was cover the principle and dimension of the democracy. Now in this video, I will cover the democracy and diversity and decentralization concept and features. Means difference between the democracy and diversity or decentralized concept and their features. We can learn about the democracy in this video. Now, what is decentralization? Decentralization can be usefully understood as a political process whereby administrative authority, public resources and responsibility are transferred from the central government agency to the lower level organization or organs of the government to the non-governmental bodies such as the community-based organization, third-party non-governmental organization means NGOs or private sector actors. Means decentralization means that we can transfer their accountability, public resources, administrative officer responsibility from the higher authority to the lower authority, means higher level to lower level. You can decentralize your power, responsibility, authority is called as the decentralization. In 1993, the government of India passed a series of the constitution reform which can intended empower and democratize Indian rules, representative bodies and panchayat. In that 73rd amendment to the constitution formally recognized their third tier of the government at a sub-state level, thereby creating the legal conditions for the local rules of the Panchayat Raj. Since this time, the process of the decentralization has been highly variable, ranging from the ambitious attempt to Gram Swaraj or village self-rule. Means in 73 Amendment Act, the rules, responsibility, power are decentralized from the central level to state level to the village level. Those are the all power, duties, responsibility are decentralized. Then political, administrative and fiscal decentralization means political decentralization. Political decentralizations transfer the policies and legislative power from the central government to autonomous lower level assemblies or local council that has been democratically elected by their constitution. Means all the political power or privileges are transferred from the central government to the autonomous lower bodies. Means gram panchayat, panchayat samiti, jilla parishad or state level assemblies. All the power and duties are transferred or decentralized in political decentralization. Then second, administrative decentralization. In administrative decentralizations means place of planning and implementation of responsibility in the hand of the local situated civil servant or local civil servant under the jurisdiction of the elected local government. Means all the administrative power and duties can be decentralized. Place planning, fair implementation and all responsibility hands to the higher level to local level. Means higher servant to the local servant in the local servant or jurisdiction under the local government. Those are the administrative. And then third decentralizing is the fiscal decentralization according to the substitutional revenue and expenditure authority to be intermediate and the local government. The next, defining features of the decentralization. In that there are some features of decentralization or some advantages of the decentralization. Means popular control of the policy markers, both the regular elections by the pressure of the social interest group. In institutionalization of all adult citizens in voting, one person, one vote, political freedom in the eyes of the state, policy decision made of the basis of the majority rules. There are different features of the decentralization. What make a local institution or accountability? It means that an activity citizenry whose the participation in the broad areas of political life such as voting the companies, attending the meeting, running of the office, lobbies, representation, servant, under all absolutely use the power. Means all the power and local institutional they are give their power for the decision in local level, fiscal or political support from the higher level authority to the within the government. Those are the different decentralization power and duties, or those are the this topic is the decentralization method or their features and their power. Okay, thank you.